Hey YouTube, how's it going? Spec and Motto is back with a new video today. So today is going to be very interesting. I'm going to try a new method of filming a video. This is just an experiment. This is not like a permanent way of doing videos. But I just wanted to try this new method of video filming just to see what you guys think and see if you guys like it or not. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So let's go ahead and get started. Today's video is going to consist of unsealing my headlight, repairing the LED strip that is broken in it, and then resealing the headlight and reinstalling it. So we're going to go ahead and explain step by step of what we're doing. So let us begin. So if you guys want to know exactly how to remove the headlight and front bumper off of your Honda Civic, I do have at least 2 previous videos on my YouTube channel that you guys can watch to see the specific process of uninstalling the headlights and reinstalling them, so on and so forth. I'll have a link in the description down below. Okay guys, so we're going to start by removing the headlight and bumper from the car, and then taking the headlight assembly out of the car and unhooking all of the headlights and LED strip wiring and everything else. Step 2, we're going to use a heat gun, a flathead screwdriver, and maybe even some plastic trim removal tools that are flat like the flathead screwdriver, and we're going to separate the lens from the assembly. Step 3, we're going to remove the 2 screws holding in the headlight bulb lens for the high beams, and then there's 2 screws holding in the turn signal lens assembly inside of the headlight. So you remove those 4 screws, and then they should both pull up and out of their little housing area. Step 4, remove the black frame in the headlight and the old LED strip. Step 5, I used a 3/8 drill bit to expand the hole to slide the new LED strip through easily, because the original hole in the retrofits were really small, and I'm not exactly sure how they got the wiring and everything through that hole originally, and I didn't want to damage my new LED strip, so I just took that drill bit and expanded that hole enough to where I could just slide the whole strip through, so I wouldn't have to worry about taking out any wirings or, taking things apart or, potentially breaking the new LED strip. And then I would take the LED strip, I would position and trim the new LED strip to the appropriate length. And then I used really strong super glue to hold the LED strip into place, and it has not failed. After that, the last and final step is obviously reseal the headlight with clear sealant, and then reinstall the headlight assembly. Put your bumper back on, get everything back together, button everything up, and then your headlight should be as good as new. LED strip fully replaced, and everything's working again. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and this experimental way of doing a small project video such as this, because this wasn't a major project, but it was enough to make it video worthy. This was, just a good little test for me, just like something different to try. So if you guys like the new method of doing small projects like this, documentary style, please comment down below and say that you like it, or if you don't like it, please also comment that too. This isn't the permanent way of doing it. Like I said earlier, this is just something I wanted to try. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Please like the video, share the video with your friends and family, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified of each video upload, and then you're all set. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe out there. I'll see y'all next time. Hey everybody, if you guys own a 2006 through 2011 Honda Civic sedan or coupe, it could be any trim from DX to LX, LXS, EX, EXL, so on and so forth, as long as it's not an SI. And you guys can join my car community on Facebook. Our car community is called 8th Gen Honda Civic Non-SI Club. We are an enthusiast group that has people from around the world, United States, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Asia, you name it, there's members there. We have over 1,600 members currently. We were founded in 2019, and to this day, we are still very strict and loyal with our policies and the way we handle them. We treat each and every person in this community like family. No one is above anybody else. It doesn't matter if you're an admin, a moderator, or a member. Everybody is equal here. We are all brothers and sisters, and we would all love to have you here. Please find us on Facebook and click that join button, and make sure you guys answer all the membership questions and agree to the group rules, or else your membership request will be denied. Search us on Facebook, 8th Gen Honda Civic Non-SI Club, and join today. Thank you and have a good day.